Hi, I'm Maya Sanchez, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the perfect homemade pizza. Let's get started. Before you start to cook any meal, you'll want to wash your hands to make sure everything is safe and hygienic. You can grab an apron if you want to keep your clothes clean and protected while you cook. Here I've gathered all the ingredients. You'll need salt, sugar, yeast, vegetable oil, cold water, and flour. I use pizza flour because it's higher in gluten, so it'll give it a better stretch. The next step is to use a food processor and mix together your ingredients. Into the bowl, add 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a half teaspoon of yeast. Then blend together all those ingredients. With the machine running, add 1 1/3 cups water through the feeding tube and mix together until the dough is combined and all the ingredients are incorporated. Once the dough is done resting, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then process the dough until it forms a smooth, tacky ball that clears the sides of the bowl. Transfer the dough into a lightly greased bowl. To make the sauce, you'll need whole peeled tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, garlic cloves, salt, oregano, and ground pepper. Add a can of whole peeled tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar. Then add 2 cloves of garlic, minced or pressed. For the final steps, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. After all the ingredients are incorporated, blend until smooth, about 30 seconds. After at least 24 hours of refrigeration, start to bring out your dough, sauce, and any other ingredients you want to add to your pizza. Lay out all your components onto a counter or table, including flour, a rolling pin, and a cutting board. I guided my older brother through the process to show you how easy it is. Start by sprinkling a pinch of flour on your hands and the cutting board. Take half the dough, place it onto the board, and coat it with flour. Use the rolling pin to stretch out the dough from left to right. Adjust the pin, not the dough. Once it's in the right shape, add the sauce. Before topping, brush oil along the dough's edge. Then add your toppings, leave about 1 inch between the sauce and the dough. Toppings have been added to your pizza, place it in the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is fully melted and the crust begins to turn golden brown. Once the piece is out of the oven, let it sit for 5 minutes to cool before cutting it. And there you have it, your perfect pizza. Add a balsamic glaze for an extra touch of flavor. Then slice, serve, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.